Hello, everyone. What is the GDP of Argentina? GDP means the total value of goods and services produced in a country. Argentina's nominal GDP is about 681.5 billion US dollars. This makes Argentina one of the largest economies in Latin America. The country has a population of about 46 million people, so GDP per person is roughly 14,800 US dollars. This figure shows the average economic output linked to each person, but it does not mean everyone earns that amount. Argentina's economy is supported by farming, energy, manufacturing, and services. The country is a major exporter of soy products, corn, wheat, beef, and other farm goods. It also has large oil and gas resources, especially in the Vaca Muerta region. Services such as banking, trade, transport, and technology are also important. Argentina's economy has faced high inflation, currency pressure, and debt problems, which have made growth uneven. Recent economic changes have aimed to reduce inflation and improve public finances, but they have also affected spending and business activity. Compared with richer countries, Argentina's GDP per person is lower, even though its total economy is large. Purchasing power figures can make the economy look bigger because local prices are lower than in the United States. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.